relatively easy. You know, it's just going to be just keeping the boat moving fast. So just want to make everyone to make sure they get lots of rest, you know, get lots of sleep, because when we get down to that last 200 miles, you know, there's not going to be a lot of chance to sleep. There's going to be a lot of sail changes, a lot of storm activity, you know, so we want to make sure that we don't get on the wrong side of any clouds or anything like that, or any big sails. So that last 150, 200 miles is going to be pretty brutal, and it's going to be hot. So just, you know, take it easy, don't push it too soon, right? And that's pretty much it. So as far as getting out of the harbour, so basically we have a club start, which is going to be out here. I think the tide's going out, isn't it, TC? Just almost high tide. Looks pretty high there. So basically, if this is our start line, sort of here, and this is Hong Kong side, and then over here is Kowloon side. So the general theory, or the way the harbour goes, as you get up towards Layu Mun, is it sort of peels away to the east and to the south. So as a general rule, you'll see boats will try to stay along this Hong Kong side as we go up. So we'll be short tacking up there. Now the one thing we do need to watch out for, there are exclusion zones, which basically change daily. And they're yellow buoys, so if you see an anchored barge or anything like that, there should be 3 or 4 buoys around it, and we have to stay outside those buoys. So we have to be a little bit careful of that. And so that's pretty much it really. Then as you'll see, as we get up the harbour, we go through what they call the Layu Mun Gap, which is going to be really tough. It's going to bring all the boats into within a couple of 100 metres of each other, and it's like really shifty, big shifts, so the trimmers are going to need to be onto it, you know, and we're just going to keep the boat moving through there. Then we're through Layu Mun Gap out into Junk Bay, where it can be, again, it can be really fickle. So we're going to try as we come through the gap, then we're going to try and get to the left-hand side across the Kowloon side, and then get out past that past Jimmy's Rocks, and then we're into the China Sea and we're off. So that's the general theory is right. It could be anything, eh? You know, we could sit in Junk Bay for a couple of hours, you know, or we could be out of the harbour in 45 minutes. It really just depends. So just that first sort of through the Layu Mun Gap and through Junk Bay, you know, we're going to be in full race mode. So we just forget about cameras, like anything like that, right? We just want everyone dialed in, trying to get the boat going as fast as possible, get the best start possible. And then it's all over to TC.
Who's timing down the start for us? Biggest?